Hello everyone, this is Teaching Tube. I am Ishita and this video is a tutorial regarding how to use your Google Slide for creating e-content for your learners. Now Google Slide is a very vast concept. It has a wide variety of features available for free of cost and we can make use of it to create very well sustained learning modules for our learners. Through these modules which I will be creating today, learners can very easily learn their lessons in their own pace. I will be trying to show you how you can embed quizzes and YouTube videos in this module. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. But before we start, let me give a small tip over here that there is a part 1 of this video. So in case you want to learn the tutorial in a better way, you please check out that video also. I have posted the link for that video in the description box. So make sure you watch that video first, then you come to this video. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, we will be going to Google. So when we go to Google, once we go to Google, we need to type Google Slides. So yeah, we have come to Google Slides and then we'll be clicking on go to Google Slides. We are using Google Slides for our personal use. So we need not open the business thing. So as I told that we have a lot of options available over here. This part is the template gallery and this is the presentations which I have prepared for myself. So yeah, we will be going to a blank presentation. So this is the blank presentation. I'll be removing off all the extra things available so that my canvas is very clear and I don't get distracted. Now I will be removing all these text boxes and other things. So what I will be doing, I'll just click here. I'll drag my mouse and I'll select everything and I'll press the button delete. Now once this is done, I have already created a photo, a PNG file. I will be making that file as my background. Now to know how to create that PNG file, you please check my first part 1 video. The link for that video is in the description box. So make sure you check that video. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand how I have created that PNG file. So now in order to change this background, I will be going to background. I'll be selecting choose image. And now the picture which I want to put as my background is in my computer. So I'll be browsing my computer. Yeah, I want to make this as my background. Now, in order to know how I designed this background, I have already told you, you have to watch the video which I have mentioned in the description box. So guys, please check that video also in order to understand how I designed this background. So yeah, so once I kept this as my background, or you can see there is a whiteboard kind of a thing, and I will be putting a text box over here. So yeah, this is my text box, and now I will be changing the font. Let me take Comic Sans and let me take 24, 29, 30, whatever it is. So as per our whatever size serves our purpose, we'll be using that. So we'll be writing welcome to the mathematics class. So I'm assuming that I am taking a mathematics class. You can take you can write anything as per your wish and as per your. So yeah, I will be changing some of the format options. So yeah, so this is the background. So this is the first slide we prepared in Google Slide. Now the next one, what we'll do, we will, I added another slide by clicking this plus option, and the same thing I'll be following. I will be deleting everything. I'll be clicking, I'll be dragging and selecting all the things available, and I'll press the option delete because I want my canvas, my slide to be very clean in the beginning so that I can design in a step-by-step manner. Now what I will be doing, I'll be changing the background color. So let me change the background color. This time I'll be using a very subtle color. So let me use this, no, I'll be using this color. So yeah, so this is done. Now what I'll do, I want to create a day by day lesson learning module for the learners. I want to create a day by day learning module for the learner. So yeah, let us see what I'm trying to do. So I will be inserting an image. So that this is one of the benefit of using Google Slide. You need not download the pictures from the Google and then store it in your computer, and then you need not upload it to your PowerPoint. Okay, the benefit of using Google Slide is that you can directly, what I did, you just see, we can directly go to insert and then select this image option, and then we can go to search from the web. So automatically we can search the images in the Google. Yeah, so the next thing which I'm going to search is transparent days of the week clip art. So yeah, now why I am using this particular word transparent is because if I don't use the word transparent, the images will be coming with some different background. So I think you should watch my previous video. The link for that video is given in the description box. You need to watch that video in order to clarify yourself why I'm using the word transparent for searching the images. Okay. So yeah, I will be using which one? Which one should I use? Let me see. Okay, so I won't be using any of this. So yeah, let us not use any of this. What we are going to do, we are going to insert a shape. Now this option is there. This option will be inserting a shape. I will be inserting which one? I'll be inserting this shape. Yeah. So let me draw some there are 6 days, I mean 7 days in a week, but we will be preparing for only 6 days. So I'll be copying this and I will be pasting it using Control V. So I'll be pasting it 6 times. So I got 6 images of this kind. So let me place it, arrange it in a better way. Yeah, so I'm arranging it. So yes, so it's done. Now what we'll be doing, I'll be filling up this with some color. Let me use a nice color, this one. Yeah, let me fill all of this with this color. What you can do is I want to fill all of them with different colors. Basically what I am doing, I am color coding each day. So like Monday will be some beige color, Tuesday will be some blue color, Wednesday will be green color. Like I'm trying to color code. Okay, so that's why I'm using different colors. So yeah, so next one, which one should I use? Okay, let me use this one. Yeah, and for the last one, I hope I'll be using gray. Yeah, gray is there. So yeah, this is done. Now I'll be inserting text box in each of them. So what I'll be doing here now, I'll be writing the day. So first one is Monday. I wrote Monday. Then we have, so then again I'll be inserting another text box and making it like Tuesday. Uh, then then again another text box. So similarly I'll be inserting text boxes and I'll be completing it. So let me finish it off side the screen and come back to you. Yeah, so I am back here with my days of the week. So yeah, I wrote it like this. Now let me insert a text box over here also. And then I can change the font because this Comic Sans is my favorite font. That's why I'm using it. You can use as per your choice. So yeah, so I can write here days of the week. Now what I can do, I will be making a separate plan for each of the day. For example, Monday they have to see video number 1 and they have to answer quiz number 2. I can then I can plan a different video for Tuesday and a different quiz for Tuesday. So yeah, that way I will be doing. So for that I will be creating some more slides. So in this slide also I will be deleting everything and then I will be color coding. So here the Monday is in beige color. So I'll be keeping the background for this as beige color. just a second. Yeah, I will be keeping the background in beige color. So yeah, so this means the children will easily understand that this is in beige color. Now what I'll be doing, I will be inserting a Monday over here. Okay, let me quickly search Monday. Monday. Yeah, so it's Monday logo, it's coming. Just a second. And let me search a better image of Monday. Whenever you are typing, you make sure you type transparent. Okay, this is very important. So yeah, so I can use this picture for Monday. Yeah, very good. So that children can understand very easily that this module is for Monday. Okay, so yeah, so now what I will be doing, I will be inserting a shape. Let me take a, okay, I wanted a cloud shape. Okay, let me see if we can find a cloud shape or not. Yeah, so I will be taking this one. So I will be shifting it here, and then I will be inserting a text box over here. In this text box, I will be writing, click here to watch the video for today's lesson. So that's what I want here to be done. Now what I will be doing, I will be inserting here a TV or a frame, or a better, I will be inserting a frame over here. So yeah, the first one I will be typing transparent frame, and then I will be inserting this frame. So let me resize this cloud because it need not be so big. Then I can just shift it over here a little bit, and then adjusting the cloud also a little. Yeah, that's perfect. So we have this frame over here. Now let me resize the frame, and now I can adjust a YouTube video, YouTube video over here. I can embed a YouTube video over here. Just I'll be pasting the YouTube video over here. Let me do that. So I have copied the link of the YouTube video. I have already copied the link of the YouTube video. Now what I will be doing, I will be uh, pasting it over here. So sorry, we did not paste the link over here. We have to insert the image. We'll be going to the insert option. There's an option called video. So I'll be clicking on this video, and then I'll be pasting the link of that YouTube video over here. So yeah, I pasted the link of the video. I have already copied the video. Now I have pasted it. So I will be clicking on this search option, and then I will be selecting this. This is the video I want to paste in my Google slide. So yeah, so this is the video. Now what we have to do, I will be adjusting this video in this frame. Okay, so that it should look like as if the video is being played in a TV or something. Now after adjusting it into the proper size, we can change the order. Now how we will do that? We'll right click, and then there is the option. We'll be right clicking, and there's the option order. Now we'll be selecting send backward. Once we select send backward, the video will go backside and the frame will be on the front. So it will look as if the children are watching the video in the television. So this is how we are embedding the video in the Google slide. So this is friends, this is a very long tutorial, so I am breaking it into parts. So the another part, in the next part, I'll be showing you how you can embed uh, a quiz in the Google slide. And yeah, slowly we'll build upon an entire learning module using Google Slide. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.